There you go. All right, we're at Miss Becker's Craftsman cabin today. And look at this beautiful stained glass window she has here in the door. Isn't that beautiful? So again, you walk in through the front door, okay? Make your way to the left, and this is where she has the access down to their basement. And as you can see, this is where Miss Becker placed her access to the basement. So again, you come in through the front door and voila. Now remember, this model is typically set up as a 2-bed, 2-bath, but in her case, she decided to make it up on this first floor, a 1-bed, 1-bath. So she has more living room space because she knew she was going to be making 2 more bedrooms down in the basement. Again, this is the Craftsman cabin, built by AmishBuiltCabins.com. Beautiful. Just a beautiful structure. As you can see, she has made it very homely, beautiful, all kinds of natural light. She insisted on having these screen doors throughout her home to keep the bugs out. So she's got a screen door there. She's got a screen door here off the living room going onto the huge deck on the back. And she's got a screen door here, as you can see, off of her bedroom here going out to the back deck. Okay. Again, this is her master bedroom and her bathroom. Okay. Huge bathroom, by the way. Beautiful. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? Okay. So again, guys, built by the Amish. We ship it nationwide. This is the one we call the Craftsman. We can do it as a 1-bed, 1-bath, as you can see here. But most folks, again, if they're not putting it on a basement, do this one as a 2-bed, 2-bath or a 2-bed, 1.5 bath. But in her case, because she did the basement, she did this one as a 1-bed, 1-bath on this floor. Then you take the basement to go downstairs where she's going to have another full bathroom and 2 more bedrooms downstairs. Again, let's take you out on the porch and show you how pretty this big porch is on the back, this big deck. And look at her Tennessee views, guys. Came all the way out here to film her cabin because I wanted you guys to see the Craftsman cabin in all its glory and how beautiful it is, and what the what the different creative ways you can finish this cabin. She's got her copper gutters and spouts and all downspouts and all that. Got the D-log siding. Just a beautiful structure, guys. Isn't that beautiful? All right, guys, how's everybody doing today? We're going to start on the inside of this one that we call the Farmhouse Barrington. So this is the Barrington Park model. I have filmed this one before on my lot, but the one I got on my lot is more of the rustic one that's got the tongue and groove pine on the inside. This one here has the birch wood walls painted white. So this one's more of a farmhouse, more contemporary versus rustic. I love it though because you still got your tongue and groove pine dark ceilings, you got your dark floors, but again, with the white walls, it just opens up the whole area, and as you can see, makes it very livable. You got a full-size couch over there, living room. Come on to the back, you got your kitchen area, you got your full-size stove, microwave, refrigerator, stackable washer and dryer. Got more storage over here. Again, everything you need, nothing you don't. Isn't that pretty? You walk in the front door, you got your living room over that way. There's your Bosch Mini split. Beautiful park model RV. Nice size porch on the front. Okay. Of course, we can screen that in as well. This one is set up where you got your loft upstairs there for the guests or the kiddos. And then of course downstairs through that room is your master bedroom, which we'll show you that here in a second. You got your, look at this, beautiful full bathroom here with your slow close cabinets, medicine cabinet, okay. Get your light switches. And over here, you got your walk-in shower, your commode. Again, remember guys, I'm a tall fella. I'm 6'6", and I can stand straight up and down in that bathroom and in that shower, no problem. Look at all that extra kitchen cabinet space. Again, you got one of these smaller refrigerators, but you could definitely get a bigger one in there. As you can see, more cabinet space. You got your Whirlpool stackable, washer on the bottom, dryer on top. There's your electrical panel there. And instead of having a ladder to get up to the loft, you've got some real steps. So you take your steps, go on up, and here you go. You could easily put a king-size bed up here, a couple of full-size beds, or probably 4 twins will fit up here. So it's very spacious. Put the guests, put the grandkids up here where they can crawl on up, have some fun, go to bed up here. And then downstairs, you got the downstairs area here where, again, look at this. All kinds of closet space here. And that's something you usually don't see. We usually don't put the closets in these till the customers ordered them. But this particular customer, this is how they ordered it. So they got all their beautiful cabinets over here. Let me show you what that looks like. And of course, you got a nice queen size bed here. You can kind of see your mini split out there, your Bosch. And you got the other head in here, again with the lovely tongue and groove knotty pine ceiling, stained dark. And look at that, his and her closets. Big old window here, all kinds of natural light coming in. It's just lovely in here, guys. And behind that door is a closet and your water heater. If I recall, I'll show you that here in a little bit. Let me open up these closets and show you what these look like. Again, there goes my phone. It's non-stop activity. You got these here with slow close closets there. And I love that you got that built-in desk in between the two his and her closets. I think that's really cool concept. And there's your remote control there for your mini split up there. And let's open this up here. And just like I said, you got a 20-gallon water heater there. There's your blue and red PEX. And remember too, guys, if you want to do tankless, that ain't no thing but a chicken wing. If you want to do tankless water heaters instead of a full-blown 20-gallon regular water heater, just let us know and we can go tankless, okay? So keep that in mind. That's also an option. Again, this is the one we call the Barrington, but this is the farmhouse edition instead of the rustic edition. The rustic edition, like I said, that's the one that's got the tongue and groove walls, pine walls. This one's got all the birch plywood. Again, this ain't sheetrock, guys. Listen, these walls are solid wood, painted white. That way they don't crack during shipment when you're moving them around from point A to point B. So keep that in mind. Keep it moving here. We got, someone's in here. They opened up the door. I wouldn't be surprised if that's my son up in the loft. How did I know that? Beautiful but freezing day here in southern Indiana. It's about 21 degrees out today. But nonetheless, got to film some cabins for y'all and show you the pretty cabins we got on the land. So wanted to do a little quick snippet video. Show you what we got on the land right now. We got the shipping container home. We got the Carrot Top over there. The ADU Villa Cottage. El Chapo Muchacho 1.0 rustic cabin, El Chapo Muchacho 2.0 modern cabin, Big Bertha baby 3.0, and of course, brand new on the lot, Big Bertha 1.0, the original, the one that started it all with the screened-in porch. Beautiful structure, rustic series, built by the Amish. We ship them nationwide. So this is what we got on the lot right now, guys. Look at that blue sky. It's pretty, pretty, pretty. Give us a call today at 812-595-4033. Let's get you a beautiful cabin on your land. You know who it is. Cabin Cowboy coming at you from AmishBuiltCabins.com. Y'all have a blessed day. Come back and see us. Don't forget to hit that like, share, and follow button on all the socials now. Y'all have a blessed day.